Hi, and welcome to another video on object-oriented programming in C#. With me, Marinas Toman. Okay, so just going to have a short video showing how to create program templates or project templates in Visual Studio. So this is handy for what I'm going to just demonstrate here is putting some comments, default comments at the start of the new program. So I've created a class library project here just in the interest of time, and you could do this with any type of template like a console app project or whatever. So I'll just go with the class library one. So I'm taking the beginning comments from the code and style guide. So just taking them over, copying them to the top of my, the default class that's been created with this when I created this new class library project. And I've just called mine class library template for the time being. So there are other things, you can do in here. So you could, for example, declare your main method as well. Or you could just, go and create a console app project and put the comments in there, and that would create the main method for you. So just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to create the main method here. So forgot the return type. Okay, so just if you wanted to, just include main method as well, and then whatever, some comments is here, some default comments or whatever. Anytime you wanted to create a new project, you could just set up whatever you want to put in your template. So every time you select this template, every time you create a new project, you'll be able to select this template, and then it'll just have preloaded whatever you want inside. So for now, let's just say I want to have one class called class 1, and then just a main method. I could add, more classes here if I wanted, a template for a larger project or something like that. But just for now, I'm just going to keep it like this. So we need to go up to the menu. Once you've got your template kind of built, then we go up to the menu and have a look through, and we can see here under the project menu item, we have this export template option. So just select that, and it'll ask you, so I changed without saving there, so yeah, save that. And then you want to select project template. So this will allow the user to create a new project based on your exported project. So basically you can, create your own whatever default stuff you want, and then export it, and then it'll be a template then every time you go to create a new project in your Visual Studio. So user will be able to utilize your template from the new project dialog box for client projects, and from the new website dialog box for websites. So you can select, I've only got one project here, but you could have multiple. So make sure you select the correct one, click next, and then just, whenever it comes up in the project menu to select a template, you could put in a description here. You can even put in, wee icon. You can see, with Visual Studio or Microsoft's default projects or their default templates, they have little icons and stuff. But for now, I'm just going to have a simple description. New class library project with a main method included. So we have somewhere where the program can start running. And then you want to select automatically import the template into Visual Studio. So you'll see that it will save this into a zipped folder. And if you want to take that template with you, you would grab that. And But yeah, so as long as you're staying on the same machine or you're using the same user settings, you should be okay. So once you hit finish, then it will open up wherever it is. And then let's say I want to go to a new project. So you can see now that I've got this new class library project with the main method included. I've no icon, so they just give me a default one. And you can see that this, you know, they're letting me know that this is a new template. So you can create one, you know, for this is the bog standard, you know, that we've been using, the console app, and the class library ones. They're just, you know, from Microsoft themselves. But you can create your own, you know, template based on these templates. Basically, just put in your own whatever changes you want. So let's say I create this this class library template. Hit next, and then let's say, yeah, just call it whatever. Hit create, and then we can see it has created it here. So we'll open up, and you can see that the comments are already here, and we have our main method, just everything that we put in our template in the first place. Okay, so that's pretty much that's how easy it is to create templates, project templates in Visual Studio. And I would recommend you to do it because it saves you, you know, especially with the file information and stuff. So anytime you create a new project, you know, you would change your file, your class name to whatever, and then just enter the information here. So it saves you typing out, you know, a lot of the comments. Okay, that's it then. Thanks for watching. Okay, so that's everything for the video. Thanks for watching.